What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, and in today's video I'm going to talk about this massive trading championship. If you didn't know this, BTCC is the official partner of the Argentine national team that's going to be playing in the World Cup. Okay, this is massive. Okay, they're official partners, and look, I've been using BTCC for 2 years, never had any problems with them. I love buying on them because they have really low fees and they have a lot of variety of cryptos that you can buy. But I'm going to be talking about this trading championship, and at the end of the video too, I'm going to share a massive giveaway that I'm doing on my own, okay, with BTCC. But this one is going to be a massive because the biggest prize here, the big prize is a signed Lionel Messi signed jersey, which is worth a lot of money, okay? This is going to be worth already a lot of money. Now, there's going to be two parts to this. It's going to be the futures trading competition, which you can see right here. The higher the total trading volume, the larger the price pool. So you guys got to understand, this one is not based on the amount of profit that you make, right? It's based on your trading volume. And if you can see right here, right, the higher your trading volume goes up in the futures, the higher the price pool that you're going to be in. So you get over here, the price pool, $50,000 price pool. Then over here, $100,000 price pool, or $100,000. So this one is based on the trading volume. Now this one is the individual profit rate challenge. And you can see right here, to the profit rate rankings and claim your share of $80,000 USDT. So that's going to be massive. You can see right here the individual profit rate leaderboards, right? It shows you right here the people the highest profit rate, and it shows their UID right next to it right there, estimated rewards, right? So this is we're gonna go through one by one here. Let's first talk about the futures trading competition, because this one, in my opinion, is simpler. I think it's easier for a lot of people because it doesn't depend on the profit rate. But again, you're at the same time, right? This is going to be happening at the same time. So you're going to be participating in both of these at the same time while you're trading on BTCC. And by the way, if you haven't joined yet, use the link in the pinned comment. You'll join. You get a big reward bonus too, because with the link, you'll get my official promo code, which is Sir Lewis. So when you click on it, it should add it automatically. And, it's going to have rewards that don't even deal with this challenge. You can see right here the welcome bonuses. Okay, so after this video, definitely join using that link. Okay, so right here it shows the futures trading volume leaderboard, right, based on the volume that you're trading. And right here you can see futures trading volume price pool distribution. So right here you're going to see the ranking. And I'm telling you guys, like the volume goes up big, okay? You have to understand the more you trade, the more your volume goes up, and it's not something that's slow, right? If you're trading consistently, your volume is going to get up there. And you can see right here, the ranking, 6%, the share of the pool, 500,000 USDT, right? So this is a lot of money for this price pool, and you guys can really earn a lot depending on which price pool you're in. It's definitely worth it. I'm telling you guys, if you're going to be trading anyways, you might as well be trading in this championship and get something at the end, right? And we're going to look here now at the profit rate challenge. You can see right here, scroll down, it shows the leaderboards and everything. And here is the price pool, the ranking, right? 8%, 80,000 USDT, $400,000 right there, 800. And then the number one rank, 25% share of the pool, right? You can see right there at 10 million. So this is going to be a really, really big trading event, and you definitely want to participate in it because it's till, you can see right here the date, till the 26th of May. Okay, so another big giveaway that I'm doing here with BTCC is a $300 giveaway, and this is something separate from this trading event. So again, you could be participating in 3 massive rewards opportunities. Okay, so this giveaway basically is using my link. If you use my link, and this one is going to be easier to get because there might be less people using my link, so maybe you'll be 1 out of 20, 1 out of 10, or 1 out of 30, right? Depends on the amount of people that use my link. But there's going to be 3 lucky winners that we're going to get from the giveaway, and basically to be able to participate in this giveaway is going to be $300 worth, and each one is going to be getting $100 USDT. And basically all you have to do is just use my link, deposit $200, and then just use that, just make a futures trade, right? So deposit minimum $200 and then make a futures trade, which if you're going to be participating in this, you're going to be obviously making a futures trade as well. And then you're going to be in the giveaway, and I'm gonna get it randomly after May 26th. I'm gonna announce it randomly, 3 random winners, whoever does these steps, right? And you want to comment. I'm gonna make a new video too on the giveaway. You also want to comment in that video your UID, and basically in the app, in the settings, you should be able to see where your UID is. You just comment your UID, and then I get that UID. I check to see if you actually did it, and then you're gonna be in the random price pool for this giveaway. Okay, so this is massive, guys. It's gonna be a massive month for May. You definitely want to participate in this. Again, BTCC, regarding wherever you are, you don't need KYC for this. So you might be thinking, oh, but I'm in New York or this place. You're not going to need KYC. You can definitely participate with BTCC because it's available anywhere in the States. So definitely join. Use the link again in the pinned comment. And yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the updates. Again, May 26th is going to be the winners, the giveaway, and after this campaign ends as well. So definitely stay tuned and be active. Peace.